almost finished now. So we're just waiting for the something to put on to the door. Yan. And then this side we'll do it on summer. So let's clean. Okay. Yan, meron na siyang TV, wall-mounted TV. Let's close the door. Pwede nang tulugan. Temporary bed. So medyo nag-clear up na tayo ng konti ng kalat. So ayan. Ayan ang look sa outside. Sa side, ayan. So that's it.